Good morning, dear students. We have started learning the lesson Bholi. Actually, her real name was Sulekha, but because of some problems, or we can say some reasons, she could not develop. Her development was not done up to fullest. She remained a foolish sort of girl, very innocent. She was an innocent child. We cannot say that she was a foolish girl, but she was an innocent child. And when she fell off from a cot, there was an injury in her head. Apart from it, moreover it, the impact of smallpox laid on her face. So those poke marks were there on her face, and therefore she was not at all loved by any of her family members. No one cared for her. Even her parents, her other brothers and sisters, she was one of 7 children of the family. But she was not taken care at all. But it so happened that in the village, and school was opened, and its opening ceremony was done by Tehsildar. So this Tehsildar asked him to get his daughter admitted here in the school. Though they were not willing to get Boli to school, to send Boli to school, but after some time, means his wife suggested that she would also have some, get rid of her for some time at least from her house if she was sent to school. Okay, so it was decided that she would be sent to school, but then she did not have any good clothes. Her father was worried that if she was sent to school in such clothes, what others would think of them and his post. He was himself a Nambardar. Nambardar is a person who used to collect taxes and revenue from the village. It was the time, the story is set at the British rule. It was the timeline of the story is British Empire. At that time, even girls were not supposed to go to school. They were denied of education. And when it was a matter of Boli, no one could think of sending her to school. But it was the order of Tehsildar. He was his officer. So he decided to send her to school. Good clothes were arranged, means new uniform, new dress was purchased. Her hair were oiled and combed properly, means she was prepared well. And then he took her to school. There even Boli did not know what a school was, just think it was a situation. But still, she stayed there. Her teacher took her hand from his father's hands, and that way she reached to school. The lady teacher in the class was saying something to the girls in the class, but Boli did not understand at all anything. She had never done anything. She had never studied. She was unable to say anything. She stammered even. She was afraid of others that much that she stammered every time. So then she started looking at the pictures of the walls. Then the colors used on those pictures fascinated her. She was much impressed by the paintings on the wall. The colors horse was brown, just like the other horse. And the Tehsildar, actually the horse was the same, this painting was similar. She remembered that on which the horse was similar to the horse on the horse on which this Tehsildar mounted. The goat was black like the goat of their neighbor. The parrot was green like the parrot she had seen in the mango tree. So there she was having a sort of connection of the colors only. She was imagining the colors of the animals that were painted on the walls. Cow was just like their Lakshmi. Lakshmi was the name of their cow, remember it? When you find objective questions, such lines are used for making those objective questions. Okay? Then, and suddenly Boli noticed that the teacher was standing by her side. When she was having a look on the walls, on the paintings which were on the walls, suddenly she noticed that the teacher was standing by her side. She asked her what was her name. Means she asked Boli what was her name. Now she started stammering. अब वो बोल ही नहीं पा रही थी. Even she started stammering more. Just imagine how much fear she had in her mind that she could not speak out her name only. Then she began to cry and tears rolled down her cheeks. She started to cry. She had never seen. She was that much afraid even when the teacher asked her name only. So she started to cry and she's, the tears were rolling down her cheeks. She kept her head down as she sat in the corner. She actually herself went to the corner of the class and sat there. Even she did not dare to look at the girls who were in the class. Then she knew that the girls were laughing at her. When she could not speak out her name, the girls started laughing, those who were in the class. When the school bell rang, all the girls scurried out, means rushed out. Scurried out means rushed out. Scurried. Means rushed out hurriedly. So it was when the bell rang, the children or the other girls of the class rushed out. Okay. They were laughing at her, but she did not leave her seat, leave her corner. She remained over there. She kept her head down, even yet she kept on sobbing. अब उसका रोना धीरे धीरे sobbing में change हो गया. Sobbing जानते हो? Sobbing means crying without making noise, loud noise. सुबकने लगी. अब वो रोना की जो साउंड थी, बहुत देर कितनी देर रो सकता है इंसान. धीरे धीरे वो उसकी साउंड, रोने की साउंड अब sobbing साउंड में चेंज हो गई. Then she said, Boli. After such a long time, she could utter the word Boli. The teacher's voice was so soft. She means the teacher handled her so softly, so lovingly, and much care that in all her life she did not have that much friendly attitude towards her. Means Boli did not receive any such kind of treatment from anyone in her family itself. That touched her heart, and she was so moved by the love and affection shown by the teacher. Now she got up. Teacher ने कहा कि चलो खड़ी हो जाओ. Get up. It was not a command, but just a friendly suggestion. She did not ask her forcefully. The teacher did not ask her to get up forcefully. It was a loving suggestion, and Boli followed it. She got up. Now, tell me your name, the teacher said. Teacher asked her to tell her the name. By that time, she was drenched with sweat. पसीने में तर हो गई वो. And she was thinking, she was that much afraid that her stammering would still continue with it. Just think, she was just afraid that if that stammering would again continue and disgrace her, disappoint her, it would bring a disgrace to her. What was bringing disgrace and disappointment to her? Her stammering of the voice, her stammering while she was speaking. This stammering was bringing disgrace to her quality, disgrace to her personality. Then again she started stammering, bo, 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 but she could not speak out her full name. Oh हो, well done, अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही हो. टीचर ने क्या बोला? Well done. Come on now, tell me full name. See the attitude of the teacher. उसने कहा चलो अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही हो, अब पूरा नाम बताओ. तब वो एक बार में बोल दी, भोली. अब वो जाकर स्टैमरिंग उसका कंप्लीट हुआ और उसने अपना पूरा नाम बताया, भोली. Till now, she stammered a lot. She uttered the word Boli. And at last she was able to speak out her full name. And the teacher praised her, appreciated her efforts. Well done, petted the teacher very affectionately. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे थे. Put the fear out of your heart and you will be able to speak like everyone else. See the motivational word. क्या word बोले उन्होंने टीचर ने? Take away the fear from your heart. Leave the fear from your heart and you will be able to speak like other children of the class. That was the biggest motivation to Boli. The teacher herself appreciated her. That well done. Whenever we hear this word, well done, it motivates us, isn't it? You people are very much aware of this word. When you are sad, when you are told, well done, it is always a motivational word, isn't it? So, when the teacher said, well done, and she asked her, she motivated her by saying to keep away all her fear and she would be able to speak like other children of the class. Bholi said, really? She could not believe on herself that she would be able to speak by her own. Okay? Yes, it will be very easy. Just come to the school every day. The teacher asked her to come to the school every day, and it was an easy task to speak fluently. Just think how much worried and afraid Bholi was. Bholi nodded. She said, okay. No, say it aloud. The teacher said, okay? No, don't nod. Say it aloud. जोर से बोलकर बताओ. Yes, yes, yes. And Boli herself was astonished. Just think, when she said yes, yes word 3 times. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Boli herself was astonished how she could speak these words continuously without stammering. This is the impact of motivation. Didn't I tell you? Now take this book. Okay, she said. मैंने कहा था ना तुम्हें, मैंने नहीं कहा था तुमसे. Now take this book. Okay, carry this book along with you. And the book was full of nice pictures. And the pictures were in colors: dog, cat, goat, horse, parrot, means all the animals which are commonly found all around us. That book contained the pictures of all these animals. Even a cow like her Lakshmi. Lakshmi was the cow of Boli in her family. Then each picture was having a name. The book was carrying the pictures along with their names. Boli could not read. It was only a black colored word, means it appeared black to Boli. She was unable to understand what was written or what was it, isn't it? She could identify the pictures from the book, but she could not see what was in black ink, what was over there in black ink, black colored part of the book. She did not know it, that it was written something. It was a part of language. Okay? She could see only black ink only, black printing only. So the teacher assured her that in 1 month, a period of 1 month, she would be able to read the book. Just see the confidence of the teacher and the assurance given by the teacher that within a period of 1 month, she would be able to read the book. Then she would give her another book, a bigger book, then still bigger one, means after reading that book, she would give her some other bigger book, then some other book. That way, she asked her that she would be giving her books after books if she reads them. Then no one would ever be able to laugh at Boli. That was the assurance given by the teacher, that no one would be able to laugh at her, means Boli. Teacher was so confident that no one would laugh at you. People would listen to you and respect you. See, these lines are very important. No one will ever be able to laugh at you. People will listen to you with respect, and you will be able to speak without a slight stammer. Understand? Now go home and come back early tomorrow morning. She was even motivating to come back. See, these lines, some words of motivation can change our lives. And that was happening with Boli. These were the words, not only words, these are the motivational lines, motivational words given by the teacher. She assured her that she would make her read the book within 1 month, and no one would be able to laugh at her. Even she would be able to speak with confidence. write with confidence and without any stammer. बिना हकलाए हुए वो खुद बोल पाएगी, लिख पाएगी. ठीक है. Boli felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing and the trees in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed into big red flowers. See the joy. How much happy she was. She was feeling as if the bells in the temple, village temple were ringing and trees were laden with flowers. Okay. Her heart was throbbing. दिल उसका बहुत तेजी से धड़कने लगा. With joy, with a new hope and a new life. Pay attention to these lines. When she heard those motivational lines from her teacher, her heart started throbbing. Her heart started throbbing like she was feeling as if the temple bells were ringing and the flower trees were blossoming with flowers. Her heart was throbbing with the hope and a new life. उसको लगा कि अब उसको एक नया जीवन मिलने वाला है. Isn't it? So we have learned that now she reached to school. The teacher aroused a confidence in Boli's heart. Okay.